For today's tutorial, we will be learning how to use the class discussion feature. First, you will need to log in to your admin account. It will bring you to the home page. Click on Learn tab, then followed by My Classes tab. Select the class you want and click on View. You will see a discussion feature at the top right. Click on that and you will see if your trainer or anyone posted anything. To reply to the post, click the drop-down arrow and then click Add Comment. You may proceed to type your comments and once done click Post. To give reaction, click on the emoji icon and react with the given emojis. To delete the comment, click on the trash bin icon and click Yes. The comment will be deleted for you. For today's tutorial, we learned how to use the class discussion feature, format text, and react to other messages. In our next tutorial, we will be learning how to join a class and study effectively. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and like our videos. See you soon.